Hey guys, we're going to be doing a slime video, and yeah, I'm Father Sparkle. That's Katie Kitty. Katie Kitty? Yeah, Katie Kitty.
Kitty cat.
Yeah, Katie Kitty.
Hopefully, we're making slime and having as fun as this this girl is.
So, we're mixing, what we're doing is we're mixing water and glue together, and we're mixing,
Let's put activator in.
No.
Ah, it's clear.
We're going to be doing a DIY. We're using paint.
What's DIY?
I show them what we're doing.
This is our starter out. Those creepy people. This is our stuff. Walt laughed at my own joke. And what are you doing exactly?
Doing whatever I want to do. I'm like doing whatever I want to do.
Yeah.
Okay, so mix them up without this in, so we actually get a color.
Ew, mine's black.
It's okay.
Mine's like an army green.
We're making a brown, I think, or whatever we make. Whatever we make is what we make.
Ooh, I'm having like a sky blue vibe with turquoise and all that.
Yeah, she's doing that while I'm getting started. Did I add the glue? I don't think I did.
You added my glue. And yes, we did another video on that, so look at that one. This is part 2.
Yeah.
He promised to make another video on slime, so this is it. And
yeah,
instantly we did not fail, so that's awesome. We failed in the other video, so if you want to see a next epic slime video, go to that one.
Yeah. I'm just adding some more, because hers is turning out great. Mine is turning out nah.
Yeah. I spilled most of mine.
That's okay.
And all I got was this, so I think I need more slime activator.
Or more glue.
Because you added a tiny bit of glue.
Man, this is messy. I never thought slime would be this messy.
I made a bigger bucket of this. And now I'm not a YouTuber.
Yeah, she's not a YouTuber. She's a special guest. Hopefully she will become a YouTuber. What do you want your YouTube name to be?
Probably, you mentioned my YouTuber name.
What?
Katie Cat.
Oh, I guess her YouTube name would be her name, like mine. Well,
if you forgot your name, go back